Hi my loves, I'm so happy that you're with me today because we're going to be making a beautiful tassel garland, and all you'll need is a couple of offcuts of yarn, just like some bits and bobs because you won't need much, and you can make it all one colour or you can make it different colours. This is going to be a neutral one because I'm loving the neutral look at the moment, and it's going to be going in our gender neutral nursery series. So this is very simple once you know how to make a tassel. If you don't know how to make a tassel, then I do have a quick short on it which I will link here. You're going to need whatever string you want to put it on. So I've got just like some white string here. You can use cotton string, which is quite strong. I'm going to do 5 tassels for you. I have some wooden beads here. You can use any wooden beads. This I actually use in the baby blanket tutorial as well. So I'm going to use this gorgeous fawn colour. I've got all of these materials on Amazon and I'll link them all below for you. Tassel making is the easiest thing in the world. First of all, you're going to cut a piece of your yarn about 20 centimeters long, and then another piece about 20 centimeters long before you start making your tassel. Okay, then we are gonna just put the yarn like that across your 4 fingers and then just wrap around and around, and that's pretty much it. You want to kind of make it neat, so you want to make it in line. This is the start of your tassel forming. Okay, so we've done 4. You want to do about 20 to 30 of these. So basically, the more times you loop it around, the chunkier your tassel will be. Okay, so then you wanna just take your fingers out of this when you've done about 20, and then you're gonna thread one of your yarn pieces through. And then hold it at the top and then make a knot at the top like that. All right, pull it securely. You don't even need to do a double knot here, that should hold, but just for safety's sake, I'm going to do a double knot. And then, all being well, so the 2 ends will hang down as part of your tassel. Then you can snip this part off because you're done with the other bit of yarn. Get the neat side down because this is going to be the back. So this is the back of your tassel. And then all you're going to do is just make a knot, the same as you did at the top, but at the back. Move it about a little bit. Just if you pull that, see, that's kind of like that, and then you can pull that knot again a little bit and just make it nice and neat. So the more you kind of pull it like that, it kind of goes puffy, which is really cute. And then when you're happy with that, you tie another knot at the back. And then hopefully, like I said with the other ones, those pieces will hang down as part of your tassel. If you want to do more fancy tassel, you can put like ribbon or something fancy along here, kind of something like that. Moment of truth, we're just going to cut like this and just make sure it's all the same length. So if you kind of comb it down and hold, feel like a hairdresser, and then just give it a big old chop. And how cute is that? You are going to do about 5 more of these. If you want them longer, you can kind of like wrap them around a big piece of something, like I keep all my crochet hooks in here, but you could like wrap it around this if you wanted it to be that long. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do another one of these, and then I'm going to do a white one and a cream one. You can do as many as you like, but I'm going to do 5 for this video. When you've done your others, then I'll show you how to thread this through and add the wooden beads on. If for any reason your tassel is too thick, all you got to do is just pull one out like that. Okay guys, so now you've done your tassels. Now all you need to do is take the thread that you're going to be attaching them together with and thread it through your wooden beads. I'm just going to use a tapestry needle for this. Alright, so I'm going to have one at the end, and then I'm going to thread this through the tassel. You can thread it through the middle, usually works, doesn't really matter where. Just like that. And then you're going to thread another wooden bead, and so on. You get the idea. Make sure the bit you kind of tied up is at the back, so you want to obviously put the nice side towards the front. pretty. This is really satisfying, doing this. The final bits. Last but one wooden bead. So pretty. And if you have any tassels that look a little bit too long or too short here, you can just give them a trim. But that basically your tassel garland. So pretty to hang in your new baby's room. There we go. How pretty. Oh. If you found value from this video, please give me a lovely big thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. If you want to make the blanket to go with this, then I will leave a link here. And I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.